Hi there! In this video I will show you how to replace the light bulbs that are located in the back part of the car. So, here we go! The first thing that you have to do is open the back door and find the two bulbs that it has. To remove them, you have to use a screwdriver and base of 8 millimeters. So you have to unscrew them. Once we have removed these bolts, we can remove the entire light. So we make force from this place and watch out for these places. Okay, there are two parts that can be broken. Okay. Now the only thing that you have to do is locate which light you have fused and simply untie it. You open it to the left and get it to you. So here we are. We got the light bulb and we can replace it with the one that we want. Then we put it on and tie it again to the right. So with this we have ended our job. So put it again on its place, looking for the correct position, and put the bolts again on its place. One and two. Then screw them back. So with these easy steps we have changed our light bulb without no difficulty. See you next time on the next video.